How to connect Stripe to Lovable. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do so. Basically, it's very simple. So let's just go ahead and get to it. But before we jump into the video, make sure you go to the description and click on the link to get the best deal that you can get for Lovable for the lowest price. So let's just go ahead and get back to the video. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is make sure that Stripe is enabled. By default, it should be, but just in case, you're just going to click on the plus icon right down here. Click on Project Connectors, and you should be able to find within the All Connectors tab, Stripe, and it should be enabled. So make sure that it is, and also you're going to find some more permissions that you can, play around with. But most importantly, just make sure that it is actually enabled. So this is the first thing that you will need to do. Secondly, you're just going to go ahead and open up your project. In my case, I'm just going to use this dummy one. And you're just going to tell AI to connect Stripe. So I just said connect Stripe to this project. And it's just going to go ahead and do its thing. Okay, so it's just going to take a little bit of time. And it did actually tell me that you will need to have a Lovable Cloud to be enabled for it to work. So I just asked it to enable it as a test. And it does actually recommend some other stuff, for example, for me, because apparently my dummy store here sells physical products. So it said that Shopify is better. So it may recommend some other stuff for you. But if you still insist, you can just go ahead and say that to Lovable, and it's just going to give you this screen here. So it's just going to ask you for your API keys. So what you want to do now is just go to your Stripe. From Stripe, you simply just want to click on the settings tab from the top right, and click on developers, then click on manage API keys. And these are my dummy keys right here. So you're just going to have the secret key and publishable key. So you basically just want to copy them and paste them accordingly, depending on what they're basically requesting from you. So once you do that, you simply just want to hit submit. And now, as you can see, your Stripe is connected to your Lovable project. And now you can actually go ahead and build some checkout flows, and you can even test them if you want. So that's completely up to you. With that being said, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.